Hi guys, my name is Jagtap Singh and welcome to Knowledge Transfer. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Java classes. So what is a Java class? A Java class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describes the behavior of state that object of its type support. So what does that mean? What does blueprint means? So let me explain this to you in a uh, lay uh, layman theory, you can say that, or layman way. Like if you want to build a building, okay, if you want to make a house or multi-story building, so for that you need a map, you know, idea, you what you call that, infrastructure or architecture, okay. So you go to an architect and tell them to make a architecture of your house or of your building. So he make, just a minute, so he make that architecture on a piece of paper, and that you bring back to your place and tell your engineer or the labor or the constructing people. They will they will follow that architecture and build a multi-story building or a house. So that layout is called class in Java, okay. So Java class is a template, or you can say blueprint, to create an object, okay, of that particular class. What is the object that we will learn in the next tutorial? Now for this tutorial, let let me make it very clear what is a class. So let me take an example. We have a class dog, okay. In that class we have, okay, let me tell you one more thing. Class contains methods and variables, okay, and from that objects are created. So we will discuss that object in later classes, later tutorials, okay. It's confusing. We are talking about this class or our class, okay. So it contains three variables: string type breed, int type age, string type color, and we have three methods: void walking method. We don't have any body, we just define method and curly braces. We haven't given any procedure what this method will do. We haven't defined, we just created this method, okay. So void hungry, void sleeping, and then we have closed that class. So this is the example of a typical class in Java. So here what we have: a class is a group of objects that has common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Same thing which I have explained to you. So what Java class contains? We have data members, okay, that is like variables, and then we have methods, which I have explained to you: working method, hungry method, sleeping, like that. We can have so many methods, we can define different kind of method. Then we have constructor in a class. Then we have block. What what is mean by a block? Block of code means like, we are writing static, uh, we can type we can write any block of code in within a class, like I am writing static j, uh, uh, open brace and then close brace. So this is a mm, uh, what we can say, a block. Like I am writing static j, okay, and I wrote this. So this is a block. This is not a method, this is not a constructor, this is just a block, okay. And other than what we can have, a class can have a class also that we call subclass and an interface. So now let's get back to the syntax of a class. Syntax of a class, first we need to write keyword class, then class name, that is you, that will be of your choice, any name you can give to your class, and then it will contain data members and then method. So this is the simple mm, syntax of a class. So we have one more example of a class, but it has constructor that I will explain in the next tutorial. So for now we have explained class, and we have explained what it contains. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will learn about objects. Till then, bye bye, take care.